see if I can reel it in or not. I think I had one earlier. Yeah, here it comes. Looks like a regular trout stock, but got him on those Mimps. Tony G likes those Mimps. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reel him in. Beautiful fish, huh? So I'm going to go ahead and bring him in. There he is. Got him on a